Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Creations, My Solutions with Anamika Tyagi. Now let's start the video.
As this video is part 2 of previous video of the topic measures of length, mass and capacity. So in this video you will study converting, adding and subtracting of length units. Let's see this. As I already explained this chart in the previous video, if you have not seen yet, please watch the video of measures of length, mass and capacity introduction part. Now let's do the solution with me of these questions. Take the question as 3 km, 8 hectometer, 4 decameter into meter. Here, through this chart, you need to find out the value of each unit as per meter given in the question to convert. So here we will get as 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. As you can see the given tens in between the units column. Now do multiply 3 by 1000. So it will convert into meter. Put plus sign and then multiply 8 by 100. So it will convert into meter. Put plus sign and multiply 4 by 10. It will change into meter. Follow the process, so we will get here 3000 meter plus 800 meter plus 40 meter. Add all these together, so we will get answer 3840 meter. Understand? It means when we convert 3 kilometer, 8 hectometer, 4 decameter into meter, we will get the answer 3840 meter. Now take another question as 6.4 hectometer into hectometer and decameter. In this question, as you can see, 6.4, 6 is already given in the form of hectometer. So as you can see, 4, which is the decimal part given, will multiply by 10 as 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter. So we will multiply the decimal part by 10, so we will get the answer. Okay, now do here 6 hectometer, put plus sign. Now decimal part, it means 0.4 because 6 we already taken here, so at the place of 6 we will write 0. 0.4 will multiply by 10. As 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter, we will write decameter here because in the question given to convert into decameter. Next, what we will do? We will write 6 hectometer and complete this process. So we will get the answer 4 decameter. Add all these together, we will get the answer 6 hectometer plus 4 decameter. These sums are about conversion higher units into lower units. Now we'll do conversion lower units into higher units. Do conversion of lower units into higher units. Take this question as 26 centimeter, 8 millimeter into centimeter. So in this question we will convert millimeter into centimeter. As you can see, 26 centimeter is already given in the form of centimeter. So what we will do? We will divide 8 millimeter from 1 upon 10 as 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter because you can see the 10 between this column. Let's see this. We will write 26 centimeter, put plus sign, and what we will do? We will divide 8 by 1 upon 10. so that will change into centimeter. Why we had done this? Because 1 millimeter is equal to 1/10 centimeter. It is just opposite that I already explained. In that we done multiplication. In this process we will do divide. So we can write it into fraction form. After this we can do this 26 centimeter plus 8 will multiply by numerator. We will get 8/10 centimeter. And the next process 26 centimeter, we will get the quotient of this division 0.8 centimeter. Add all this together, you will get 26.8 centimeter. That will be the conversion of 26 centimeter, 8 millimeter into centimeter. We will get the answer 26.8 centimeter. Clear? Now we'll solve next question 6 kilometer, 5 meter, 4 centimeter into kilometer. In this question, we'll divide 5 from 1000 as 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. Unit value is given as per the chart. 1 meter is equal to 1000, and when we are going to divide, we will write into the fraction form. And 4 will divide from 1 lakh. Okay, because how many zeros are given in between these units, you have to count and multiply of this. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000, and 10,000 tens are 1 lakh. So it means 1 centimeter is equal to 1/1 lakh kilometer. This is the value of the unit. Now we will write 6 kilometer as it is, and we will multiply these 5 and 4 as I divide 5 and 4 as I explained. So let's do this. 6 kilometer plus 5 multiply 1/1000 kilometer plus 4 multiply 1/1 lakh kilometer. Okay, now follow the process and complete this. 6 kilometer plus, when we multiply 5 into numerator, it will come 5/1000 kilometer, and as similarly it will come 4/1 lakh kilometer. When we will divide this, we will get the quotient into decimal form. That will be 0.005 kilometer, plus in this we will get 0.00004 kilometer. Now add all this together, so you will get your answer as 6.00500 only 104 kilometer. That will your answer. If you face difficulty to add these numbers, so you can write into the column and you can add after that. Okay, so you will get the same answer. Now we'll start to adding and subtracting. As the question we have here, 26 kilometer, 634 meter, 15 kilometer, 76 meter, 8 kilometer, 708 meter. So first of all, we will write it in separate column as per the units given in the question. So here we have kilometer and meter unit. It means we will separate it into 2 columns, as kilometer will write this side and meter we will write in this side, like this. This is, I have separated the column. Now we will arrange the numbers. First we have 26 kilometer, 634 meter, 15 kilometer, we have 76. Now we need to write from the ones unit. Okay, 76 we will write from 6 and 7. what happens? There is no any number, so we can write 0. Understand? Now here 8, so we will write from the ones unit of kilometer column 8. At tens unit, no numbers, so we will put the 0. 708. Always remember that you will arrange the numbers from the ones unit. These are different columns, so you will arrange ones unit from this column and ones unit from this column. Clear? Am I clear? So when you will write from the ones place, you will get where is no any number, you can write 0. Clear? So you will be easily to understand how to add this number. Now start to add this number. It is as a normal addition we will add and put the carry to the another number, and we will get the sum of this question. What we have answer? Answer is 50 kilometer 418 meter. Understand? Now next question of subtraction is here. We have as a 6 kilometer 8 hectometer from 14 meter. In the subtraction we need to arrange first of all greater number and then subtract smaller number from that. And we will separate the column as I had already explained as per given the units. So here 2 units given of kilometer or hectometer. Sorry, need to write kilometer. Okay, so here it is given kilometer and hectometer, so we will write column kilometer hectometer. Which is the greater number of kilometer? First of all look at that, because kilometer is greater than hectometer. So first of all we will arrange the number as per the bigger unit. 6 kilometer is given here and 14 kilometer is here. So we will write 14 first into the kilometer column. Okay, now 1 kilometer is equal to how much hectometer? Is 10 hectometer. Clear? How many 0? 1 0. It means it has only one place. One's place only. So we no need to apply any 0 before that. Clear? So here we will write 0 because 14 not having any hectometer itself. And another number we have 6 kilometer and 8 hectometer. Now let's subtract this. We'll borrow properly from the 14. So it will be change into 10 and that will change into 3. 10 minus 8 will 2 and that will 3 will together 1 and 3 become 13. 13 minus 6 will get 7. Okay, so we have an answer here 7 kilometer 2 hectometer. I hope you all have understood how to do addition and subtraction. Let's do 2 more questions. Now solve next question as 9 meter 9 centimeter 6 meter 6 centimeter and 85 centimeter. Okay, these are written with this column comma, so please write properly into the column. Now follow the same procedure that we had done in the last question to separate it into a column. How many units are given in this? As 2 units. So we will write meter, centimeter and arrange the number 9 centimeter 9. 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100. So there is a 2 0. It means it need to be 2 numbers this side. So we will increase 1 0 at the place of tens. Okay, now 6 meter 6 centimeter from the ones unit, and at tens unit we will write 0. 85 is given only centimeter, so here there is no number will be so we can write 0. Clear? Now put the sign and add all these number together, so we will get as 0 and 8 plus 2 will get 10 and then it will be 16. What answer we will get here? Answer will be 16 meter 00 centimeter. Okay, that will be the answer of this question. Now we'll do the another question of subtraction. So this will be last subtraction of this video. You will get understand how to add and subtract and how to convert into higher unit to the smaller and smaller unit to the higher unit. Let's do this question also as I explain. First of all, we will observe which units we have to separate it into this meter and centimeter. As meter is the bigger number than centimeter, bigger unit than centimeter unit, so we will observe into the meter which number is given greater. 50 meter, and in this 46, so we will write 46 subtract 85. As there is no any numbers above, we can write 0 and subtract. Now we'll take borrow, so it will be changed into 10. 10 minus 5 5, 9 9 minus 8 1, 9 9 minus 6 3, and it will be 4 4 minus 4 will be 0. What answer we will get in this? 3 meter 15 centimeter. Okay.
I hope this video will helpful to you all to understand converting, adding and subtracting of length unit. If you like the video, please press the like button and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.